There's a freaking fly. Get out of the room. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hey, what's up? My name's Vanessa and I do videos that are beauty and fashion related. In this video, well, as you can tell by the title, it's gonna be a makeup look. First and foremost, you might hear some background noises. That's just my son. He's watching, I don't know, some kids show and drinking a bottle. So, oh, my eyes so itchy. Oh, so just FYI, you know? So, yeah, there he is. You can hear. We're gonna start with the base. I do have moisturizer on. I do have my eyebrows somewhat done. I had stuff to do today, so I just drew on my eyebrows. So we're gonna get onto the face. My face seems really white today. I'm just gonna zoom you in a tad. There. Kind of feeling the urge to use the Cover FX custom drops in the color Sunlight, because my face, as you can tell, is like white as fuck. Seriously. So we gotta fix that, and the only way is to fake tan and not wash my face. But you know, I gotta wash my face because I wear makeup, so can't work around that. So plan B is use some custom drops. Just to keep my hair out of the face. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. I'm just using what's like. Another option is you can actually mix this into your foundation, but I prefer it this way. I am going to be using a new foundation. I got the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Punjab. It's coming. Okay. Okay. There is a slight chance I might have to mix this. Just using a Zoeva Silk Finish 102 brush. I finally got the sharp... What? I got the Tarte Shape Tape. I tried to say Tarte and Shape at the same time, so it came up with Tarte. I don't know. So I got the sharp, and I just did it again. I got the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. I feel like I could have gone a shade lighter, but it is what it is. No, actually the shade's quite nice. It's very neutral. The color's light neutral. I'm just going to use the same cream bronzer I use every time, which is the MAC BB Cream Prep and Prime, yada yada yada. I haven't changed it. I do have the Chanel one as well. I got the mini setting powder by Kat Von D. It's the Locket setting powder in the color Translucent. I got the mini because, you know, I wanted to test it out. If I like, you know, if I liked it, I'll go buy the big one once this one's finished. No, I don't bake because it makes me really crusty. Because I've got very dry skin. Oh, I didn't use a cream. So far, so good. Now that everything has been set, I think, oh, I might just put a bit of bronzer on just to even out the face, make it, you know. So I'm just going to use the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. which by the way, I love. It's literally been my go-to bronzer every day that I wear makeup. So I did get the limited edition Zoeva Melody palette. The pigmentation, that was pretty good. The only thing I have to say, it has no freaking mirror. You know, but I mean, check out those colors. Yes please. You are at my alley. I'm not too sure about you, but I want to give you a go. So just from the concealer, just from the concealer just before, just taking whatever's left. I don't like to put too much, and just put that on the eyes. Alright, starting with the color World Above, which is just that neutral, which is good for as a transition color. And a little bit goes a long way, so. We're gonna go with the color Fly Solo, which is a little bit cooler, but we'll make it work. Always tap the excess because you don't want the excess on your face and then trying to wipe it off. It's just a bitch. Pack that on just to lighten up the lid a little bit. You could use concealer, but I don't want it to be so dramatic. I want to go in with the color, which is Airy Dalliance, which is similar to the crease color, but it's just shimmer. Just with some setting spray. I'm really liking that. Just with a smaller, this is a Luxe Define Crease, a 224. It's just a small fluffy brush. Just with the first color that was used in the crease, we're gonna just go over that just to blend out the edges. Blending is key. With the inner corner of the eye, just get any pencil brush. I'm just using a Bdellium Tools 716. You can get pencil brushes from like any brand. Then I'm going to go in with From Heaven. And just put that in the inner corner of the eye so it's popping. I'm going to get onto, sorry, my head's itchy, onto eyeliner. I'm going to try and do on camera. If not, well, I'll see you soon. Yeah, I'll see you soon. I'm going to do the lower lashes. I don't know if that filmed. I'm going to find out. I'm just going to get a pencil brush, which is the Luxe Pencil 230 by Zoeva. And just with World Above, just run that. Same pencil brush, don't worry about changing it. Oh, my eye. I'm going to add Fly Solo, which is the cooler brown that I just used before. And we're going to use Gentle Clasp, run that. If the color from the inner corner of the eyes has come off a little bit, just use From Heaven, I'm just gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back to show you. Oh, and I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom. You don't really need to see that because self-explanatory. Okay, I got the lashes on, but there's a shitload of glow. We're just gonna wait for that to dry. So now we're back to the face. It's still needing a little bit more, you know. I'm just gonna use my Bobbi Brown Illuminating bronzing powder because I'm fair. It works for me. That's the color. I'm just using a Luxe Cheek Finish brush 126 by, you know it, Zoeva. Oh, it's got a mirror. We're gonna move on to the lips. Or should I do, no, sorry, take that back. We're gonna do highlighter. I ended up getting Whisper of Guilt by MAC. I've been using the Ofra Rodeo Drive a lot, but I wanted to see how this one goes. The difference between the two is they're very similar. This one you have to like rub it a few times, but you get the glow. So I'm just using the viewfinder. I do like that wet look. And then I'm just gonna get a pencil brush and just go the center of my nose. Now we're going to move on to lips. I bought the, that sounded terrible. I went and purchased the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color London. I'm going to give this a go. If not, then we'll change it up. Because I actually kind of like my natural lip color, so I just overline my lips a little bit, just with like a somewhat similar color, and then I just put the Fenty Glass Bomb lip gloss. I've been liking like that type of lip combo, so oh. And got to finish it off with some Mecca Max Life Proof setting spray. Totally missing my face. Brows are on. Almost forgot about it. Ooh, I might add some highlighter to my brows. Yeah, so that, my friends, is the final look. If you like this video, please thumbs it up. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload, hit the notification bell. I do put like alerts and whatnot on Facebook, on Instagram. I will leave everything down below so you guys can follow me if you wish to. You don't have to, but it'll be nice, you know, join the family, see more of these types of videos. I'm doing a variety of things, so yeah. Or if you just want to say hi, leave a comment below. I will, hey, say hi back. You know, I like doing these videos. It's fun, and it's just a good, like outlet, you know, hobby. So yeah, I'm actually really liking this look. I'll zoom you up so you can. So that's the lip combo. So like I said, it's just natural. So the good thing is I can just add lip liner. Those are the eyes. Loving the lashes. Brows are on point.